and welcome to Open House. I'm Mrs. Dietz. I'm your child's honors chemistry teacher, and I want to show you a couple things about our course this year and help you get to know how honors chemistry works.
Blackboard is a great spot to start for all the things that your students will need in chemistry. The first place you want to click is on the weekly plan. Here's an example of one. It shows your student when they should be in class each day, so you can see that up at the top. It will also tell you all the classwork assignments that we're going to complete each day, as well as what the homework assignments are and when they are due. Another helpful place for students to look is under the unit that we're currently completing. If they click on the link for that unit, they'll find all the things that we've been working on so far, as well as all the things that they are expected to know by the end of the unit. Further down on the unit pages, you can see all the assignments that we've completed in that unit. Basically, everything from the weekly plan also gets posted here in the order that we do them. There are a few other important electronic tools that your students will have access to, and I've placed them all under My Chemistry Tools. When you click on the link for My Chemistry Tools, you'll see this Google document. It tells you about Blackboard, which we've already seen, as well as Chem 101, which is a program where your students will do some problem sets for chemistry. It also tells you about Google Drive, which is where your students will store some of their chemistry files. We will also have an online textbook this year, and information on how to log in is posted here as well. We will also be using a program called Nearpod and another one called Explore Learning. Those are both very helpful for your students to be learning some new chemistry things and doing interactive examples. So from My Chemistry Tools, they can get to all the places that they have to submit assignments. So from the My Chemistry Tools site, they can get to Chem 101, where they will submit assignments from, their Google Drive, where they will also be submitting assignments to, and Nearpod. As you've probably already heard, grading in courses is cumulative. In chemistry, it's a quarterless system where it's the total points earned out of the total points assigned. So every assignment that your student does will earn them points. In terms of materials for chemistry class, your student will need a scientific or graphing calculator, a writing utensil, and paper. If your student is sitting in front of the computer for chemistry class, they should have all three of these things with them every time. Occasionally, your student might need some extra help. For this, we're first going to be having small breakout groups during our Zoom sessions. This gives them a chance to ask their peers questions, but also I pop into those breakout groups to answer their questions. The other option is through email. I've encouraged the students to be really specific when they send emails. Tell me which question you're working on and what assignment, so that I can help you quickly and efficiently. The last option for getting extra help is during drop-in sessions. Occasionally on our schedule, I'm going to schedule some of our Zoom sessions to be drop-in. This means that if students do not have any questions, they will not have to attend, but if they have any questions on assignments, then they should be there and asking those individual questions. This is also a time for students who have missing assignments to come in and complete them. The drop-in sessions are listed on the weekly planner. As the schedule changes, I will do my best to always make sure that your students have time to get their individual questions answered. Most importantly, thank you so much for all your support of the students during this time. I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of your children and making sure that they learn a lot of chemistry this year. Have a good night.